In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly incorporate an Enye, or the letter N, into your Canva projects. Whether it's for your digital presentations, graphic designs, or any creative endeavor, mastering this quick trick will ensure your typography is both unique and authentic. First, let's begin by heading over to the Canva project you have open. If you're in the process of crafting a design, this is where you'll apply this handy technique. Canva, as many of you know, is a powerful tool that allows both beginners and seasoned designers to create stunning visuals. However, certain characters like the Enye can sometimes be elusive, especially if you're new to keyboard shortcuts. Now, once you are in your Canva design, here's the magic trick. You need to press Alt, followed by the numbers 0209 on your computer keyboard. It's crucial to note that this method requires a keyboard with a numeric keypad or numpad. By holding down the Alt key and then typing in 0209, you trigger the ASCII code for the uppercase Enye. This is a fantastic shortcut that saves time and keeps your creative process flowing smoothly without the need to leave your project. For those of you who might not have a numpad, don't worry, there's an easy alternative. Simply open your preferred web browser and search for Enye. From there, you'll be presented with the character Nanans. You can copy it directly from the search results and paste it into your Canva project. This ensures that everyone, regardless of their keyboard layout, has access to the correct accents and characters that might not be immediately accessible from their keyboard. So after you have either typed in the Alt plus 0209 shortcut or copied the character from your browser, you simply paste it into your design where needed. It's seamless and allows you to continue on with your design process without interruption. And there you have it. You're all set. This simple hack allows you to incorporate the unique character Nong into your designs, enhancing their cultural authenticity and visual appeal. Whether this is for Spanish text or other purposes, using the correct characters can make all the difference in your design's professionalism and appeal. This small yet effective technique rounds off our quick guide for today. Practicing these small shortcuts will not only save time, but also elevate the quality of your work. Remember, each element in your design speaks volumes, so incorporating every detail correctly is key. Happy designing, and until next time, keep creating with confidence and flair.